Listening? On 3. Let me have the barrel assembly. Where's the barrel? There you go. See how I put this on? I've made bunches of these.
Are we gonna shoot that? Are we gonna shoot
No, we don't shoot. We launch. We never shoot anything. We launch.
Hey, Denny, do you want to
use the proper word, Danny?
Let's go, bro.
Politically correct words.
I'll pig axle.
Now,
Hey, can we rock
sit it down. Sit it down. No, we're not pumping. Kids never pump. Mostly I pump. Let it go. Let it go. Sit it down. Sit down. Sit down.
I pump at my house.
Yeah, me have the apple. Okay. Now, the distance. Oh, see, they're not ready for this activity.
That's her.
But
She started
see,
it.
let's watch it. The distance around is called the circumference.
Oh.
And so once I put the apple down, it will create a caliber. What's a caliber?
What's a caliber?
The caliber is the diameter.
Wait, hold
so this will have a caliber, and we'll measure it in centimeters probably, actually millimeters. But here's why I wear the gloves, because the apple is going to actually take on the circumference, which we'll call a caliber.
You broke it.
See that?
Savage.
Take a look here, guys. See how that worked? Okay. All right. Ramrod. Where's my ramrod? It's a muzzle loader. Okay? When I tell you guys to stand back, everybody has to stand back. And who's ever talking shouldn't be, right? Because you won't be able to see what's going to happen. See that there? Actually, you guys want to go like that way. That way. And so I don't want you to be hurt, right?
Can you put it in the middle instead? I don't want you to hit your...
You guys, Jeff.
Here I go. So I'm blowing it up now.
Okay.
So I'm putting pressure inside. So I'm not going to put 80 psi. I'm going to put about 60. About 60 psi. When I do this, we have to stop talking, because if you're talking, you really won't be able to see how high it went. And today we won't calculate the height, maybe later we will. But if you want to see the apple go up, here's what you have to do, right?
1 minute.
Wait, no, that's not fair.
If you're looking right here, when I launch it, you will not see it leave. And then you can't track it, okay? Your time and divide it by the number of you and get an average, and we could use that to approximate about how high it went. So once I start my countdown, 1, 2, 3, I'll launch, have your eyes here, and then wait for it to stop, and you do your countdown. If you're talking, you'll miss it. Just trust me, if you're talking, you won't even see anything happen, okay? I'm not gonna go that high.
Good high. I'm nervous.
Okay? Oh, and by the way, if you run towards it, it'll injure you. So watch it, because you don't want it to hit you. 2. I didn't want it to hit that car. If it hit that car, Jayla would be in so much trouble. Hey guys, this time we're gonna do a launch. Hey guys, you see how high that went? I could have went 3 times that higher.